just a better video of the Craftmade Constantina. Keep calling this a crescent, but it's not a crescent. It's a newer constantina. The one that Cole has is the full chains. This one has the wall control. Here's light number 1, light number 2, both light number 2, up light number 2, just light number 2, off. Low. Go to high. Crap, high. Low. Here's low. No fans in here, by the way. This is in the master bedroom of this house. Medium speed. I'm just going to show high reverse. Medium speed. High speed. Light number 2, light number 1, light number 1, just light number 1. I can feel lots of air under it. It moves a ton of air for being a fan with the wall control or remote. Now reverse. I gotta take my shoes off. Here's high reverse. Wobbles in reverse for some reason. Let's go to reverse. Let's go light on. Light number 2 on. Off. Light number 1 on. Stop the fan. Let's do a top view. It's a cool light. It's cool accent lights. So a top view. There's the top. See the up lights. Cool up lights. I like the Constantina a lot. So light off. Light 1 off. Liam, no. Don't say under that. No. Thanks for watching.